To perform a 150mm disc diffusion or Kirby-Bauer plate reading, from the main menu select Testing Center, then select either New Specimen Test or Batch Specimen Test. I'll select New Specimen Test. Enter the test information on the left. I'll just type in a 1, 2, 3. You can enter additional test information, including specimen type, location, and others. This window can be customized. I recommend watching the training video called Test Information Screen. Then enter the organism information if it's known. I have here a common list that I created. You can create your own common list as well. Again, that's another training video. If you want to view the more extensive list, you can pick gram-negative enteric, gram-positive, and choose from a longer list. So again, I'll pick from my common list, E. coli. Then you select your drug panel. The drug panel is customized by the lab. So every lab will have different drug panels. Essentially, it's an assortment of discs on the plate, grouped by organism or whatever grouping you choose. You can name it anything you want. The most important thing is to keep the same drugs on that panel so the biomic system remembers what drugs are included with that drug panel. So I will pick a panel that I've created called 150 gram-negative. If you haven't set up your drug panel, please go to the training video called Drug Panel Setup, either with or without the automatic disc locator. And after you've done this and you have the plate ready, place it into the drawer, close the drawer, and select Read AST Plate on the top. Then the image of the plate will appear on screen with all the zone diameters automatically shown. If you disagree with the zone reading, you can click inside the zone and adjust by selecting one of the 4 white squares, making it larger or smaller. If you want to look at different views of the plate to help with the reading, you can select the view options on the top left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These may look slightly different based on your software version. Again, after you confirm the plate reading and the zone sizes, go to View Results on the top right. The 12 drugs from the drug panel will be displayed on the left with the zone diameters shown, and SIR interpretations from CLSI or UCAST will also be displayed. If you want to look at individual guidelines for each of the drugs, you can click on the drugs on the left, and on the top of the screen in blue will show you those interpretive guidelines based on the drug and organism combination. If there are expert messages triggered from this test, they will be shown on the right. You can open up those expert messages by selecting the plus symbol to the left of the expert rule number, or you can look at the expert rule text below. If you want to go back and look at the plate image, you can select the plate tab on the top, or the test information screen, or back to the test result. When you're done confirming the plate result and the test results, you can then go to the either next test on the top right or main menu, and all of the information, including plate image, expert rules, interpretive guidelines, will be automatically saved.